Hey, you boys gotta wake up. Raynor sold us out. I joined this outfit to fight the Dominion, not work for him.
Everybody simmer down. We trusted the commander before. We should trust him now.
You can't trust that drunk. Jim Raynor's nothing but a spineless coward.
You've been nothing but poison since you got on this crate.
That right. Pathetic. Only person you can trust is yourself. The sooner you peons figure that out.
Heard about enough of this.
You got 'em all fooled, don't you, Jimmy? But the first sign of trouble, you'll just duck and run. It's what you do, ain't it? Me, them, that pretty little girlfriend of yours.
Don't do something you're gonna regret, Tychus. Think he's right? I'm just gonna run out on you?
You got us working for the Dominion now, Commander. Taking us back to Char. It's like you're gone already.
This ain't about the Dominion. Our war's always been about saving lives. If the Zerg wipe everyone out, it's all been for nothing. So I'm going back to Char. If you're with me, it's your choice. Just like it's always been.
Now that's the commander I've been waiting on.
Satisfied?
Let's get back to work, boys.
I don't want to have this conversation again. And fix my damn jukebox.
A little help here? Anybody?
You still got a problem with us working alongside Valerian?
Manx turned out to be a ruthless dictator, but that shouldn't automatically condemn his son. I followed you through hell and back, sir. I'm not quitting on you now.
Good man. This truce won't last forever. Just long enough to get the job done.
On a personal note, nice job with Tychus. That ass-kicking's been a long time coming.
Well, Junior, we got our hands on the final artifact. You can take possession of the whole set at any time.
Thank you, Commander, and well done. You're every bit as resourceful as I've been led to believe. I think the odds are stacking in our favor.
You better hope so. Delivering this artifact thing right to Kerrigan's doorstep. We're gonna need all the luck we can get.
Rest easy. We'll have the might of the Dominion fleet behind us.
Right. How you holding up down here, Chief?
Better, now we got our old commander back. Oh, and our new best friend, Prince Charming, came through with some upgraded battlecruiser schematics. I've been working on some interesting modifications for our ships.
I'll check them out. Where we're going, we're gonna need all the firepower we can get. You ready to tell me what the hell that was all about?
Man, these last few weeks, helping you fight the good fight, I finally got a taste of what real freedom is. But that's all coming to an end with you charging off like some damn hero for a cause I couldn't care less about.
Then what was all that talk earlier about doing humanity a favor and getting paid well in the process?
Just seems the closer we get to your Queen of Blades. Well, let's just say things don't always work out the way you plan, Jimmy.
I need you with me on this one, Tychus. Trust me. For old time's sake.
All right, I'm with you.
That's my boy.
Old times.
Here's my man. How can I be helping you, Mr. Rayner?
You sit up here watching everything. Tell me what you see. Tychus just a mean drunk?
I wish it was just that. All that jealousy and rage. He's fighting himself over something he don't want to do. You'll see.
This is Donnie Vermillion, live from UNN Studios on Core Hall. Troubling news tonight, as Crown Prince Valerian seems to have gone missing.
That's right, Donnie. Prince Valerian was scheduled to speak at the launch of the Dominion's newest battlecruiser, the White Star. But the ceremony had to proceed without the prince when he failed to arrive.
Official government sources offered no comment.
Whatever the situation, we here at UNN hope the prince is okay.
Oh, Junior's doing just fine. So far.
Everything is in motion to begin the final act. The invasion of the primary Zerg hive on Char. Once we begin, there will be no turning back. Ensure that you are fully prepared, Commander. Destiny awaits.
Char, if hell ever existed, this is it. Oceans of fire, tectonic storms, and an atmosphere that'll burn a man alive. But we've planned for all of that.
You can't plan for the Zerg, General. They ain't gonna fit into your nice, clean timetable.
I've led 5 separate invasions against the Swarm. I held the line while you and your terrorist friends hid under a rock.
We're all aware of your victories, General. I've invited Commander Rayner here to assist us with any unforeseen contingencies.
Well, it sounds like you got it all figured out, Junior.
I have far too much invested in this undertaking to see it fail. Speaking of which, you might particularly enjoy this next step.
Valerian, I've just received a report you've taken half the fleet. Care to explain yourself, boy?
Father, I am about to accomplish that which you never could. Today, I will defeat the Queen of Blades and secure peace throughout the Dominion. By this act, the people will finally know that I am a worthy successor to you.
I love your gumption, son, but you're in way over your head. What makes you think you have the experience
He ain't alone, Arcturus.
Raynor. I don't know what gutter my son fished you out of, but even you got to realize that treacherous bitch cannot be saved. And neither can you.
We'll see about that. And when this is over, you and me got a score to settle.
Everything I could have hoped for.
You're playing a dangerous game here, kid.
Prince Valerian, we have Zerg attack waves incoming.
Already?
Clear the bridge. I got a battle to win.
I'll see you boys on the ground.
Teams Bravo, Echo, and Delta have gone dark. Repeat, Alpha has lost contact with all elements.
Where's command? I got no support! I got Zerg coming out of my...
We're on fire! Repeat, we've lost all thruster power!
They're coming out of the ground!
Any station this net! Any station this net! We need fire support! We need it now! Ah!
Damn it. I told him a frontal assault wasn't gonna work. He was playing with us the whole time.
Well, brother, we're alive at least. Looks like the few battle groups that did make it to the surface scattered all over the place.
Do you think death is the worst thing that can happen to you here? Infestation is what's coming for you. Soon all will serve the swarm.
She's trying to get in our heads, man. We gotta keep it together.
If we're gonna pull this caper off, we need to rally as many survivors as we can.
Commander, Dominion battle groups are still landing all around you, but they're in pretty bad shape and coming under heavy attack from the Zerg.
All right. Let's get out there and rescue their sorry butts. We need to pull together a real fighting force, or we won't have a prayer to stop and carry it.
Bad news?
Commander, tactical analysis indicates the Zerg greatly outmatched current forces.
Matt, keep me updated on those drop pods as they get to Char. If we can reach enough of them before the Zerg, we might just have a chance of fighting our way through this.
SCV ready. What's going on? Big job?
Sir, I'm tracking an incoming drop pod. It should be landing close to your position any second.
Believe it.
All right. Let's get out there and find him before the Zerg do.
SCV ready.
Sure thing.
Add-on complete.
Got it.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Been waiting on you.
SCV ready.
This better be good. I'm in a world of hurt.
Base is under attack.
SCV ready.
I'm on it.
Raiders. We sure are glad to see you boys. But where's General Warfield?
I'm assuming command here. You men fall in with us, and we'll see to finding your general.
Yes, sir.
I so love the way you kindle their hope, Jim. By all means, bring them all to my doorstep. It'll be like lambs to the slaughter.
Don't listen to her. Stay focused, and we'll make it out of here together.
Sir, I've detected a drop pod in your vicinity.
By the numbers, boys.
SCV ready.
Base is under attack. Base is under attack. Our SCVs are under attack.
Armed and ready. Been waiting on you. This better be good. Go, go, go!
Let's move!
The doctor is in.
Affirmative. Yes, sir. Looking forward to it. Been waiting on.
The doctor is in. Need some triage?
You gonna give me your...
Sending coordinates to a nearby drop pod.
So... Want a piece of me, boy? By the numbers, boy. Armed and ready. Keep your shirt on, Sparky.
Get this factory back to the landing zone and get it building.
Want some? Of course. You got it. Oh, it's on. And over. Why not? Go, go, go! Keep your shirt on, Sparky.
Upgrade complete.
Let's have a blast! Go ahead. Yeah. Roger.
Base is under attack.
And more. Sure. Got it. Gangway, coming through. Keep your shirt up. You gonna give me orders? What's going?
Sir, another drop pod is coming down near your location.
Go ahead. SCV ready. It's here. Huh? Yep. Yeah.
SCV ready. SCV ready.
Sure thing. Armed and ready. Yes, sir. Affirmative.
SCV ready.
Base is under attack.
Go, go, go! Of course.
SCV ready.
Give us your best shot!
Upgrade complete.
Lay it on me. Can do. Ride home.
Sir, another drop pod has arrived near your perimeter.
This better be good. Armed and ready. By the numbers, boys. I'm on it. Of course. Go, go, go! Will do. Can't wait.
Some air power is just what we need. Secure this starport and bring it behind our guns.
This better be good.
Base is under attack.
I'm in deep. Ah! It's here. I'm in a world of hurt. SCV ready.
Roger that.
Mineral field depleted.
Oh yeah.
I seen this guy.
Add-on complete.
I'm on it.
This resolute complied. Systems prime.
You've got another drop pod landing nearby.
Job confirmed. Order accepted.
Bad news? Yes, sir.
We could use some help here. How about lending a hand?
Upgrade complete.
What's going on?
Job confirmed. Immediately. Ready.
I'm in deep.
Keep your shirt on.
Awaiting orders.
The doctor is in.
Looking forward to it.
It's about to get heavy.
Order acknowledged.
Mayday, Mayday, this is General Warfield. My ship has taken terrible, terrible damage.
Warfield, to any Dominion system range. My ship is down, and we sustained heavy losses. We're holding position, but we need support soon.
We're on our way, General. Just hold on. Damn, they can't even hear us. The only way we're getting to Warfield is straight through those Nidus worms.
Some invasion.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Combat.
10-4.
We should mobilize everything we've got and try to break through to Warfield.
Warfield won't be alive for very much longer. My pets will be drawn to his fear, and that of his men. There's absolutely nothing we can
You're sure talking a lot, Kerrigan. Maybe the fear you smell is your own.
Sir, I read multiple drop pods entering the atmosphere. I don't think you'll have enough time to rescue them all. Not with this much Zerg in the area.
Damn it. We'll rescue as many as we can. But I don't think everyone's gonna live through this.
Armed and ready.
Base is under attack.
This better be good.
Our allies are being attacked.
Mayday! Mayday!
Our allies' base is under attack.
It's about to get heavy. Go, go, go!
State your request.
Upgrade complete.
Order engineering at your disposal. Job confirmed. Order.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Armed and ready.
Upgrade complete. Our allies' base is under attack.
Who wants some? Can't wait. Armed and ready.
Our allies' base is under attack. Our allies' base is under attack. Insufficient Vespine gas.
We could use some help here.
There's another wave of drop pods coming in, sir. It would be too dangerous to try and rescue them all.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Commander, the last of the Dominion drop pods have reached the surface of Char.
Looks like we're on our own, boys.
Our allies' base is under attack. Our allies' base is under attack. Base is under attack.
This vessel will comply. Awaiting orders.
Our allies' base is under attack. Mineral field. Our allies' base is under attack.
Scanning battlefield conditions underway. Immediately. Ready.
Upgrade complete.
Job confirmed.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Awaiting.
Our allies' base is being attacked.
Been waiting on you.
Mineral field depleted.
Who wants some? Orders received.
Mineral field depleted. Our allies' base is under attack.
Will do. Big job, huh? Hear me!
Our allies' base is under attack. Upgrade complete. Our allies' base is under attack.
Abandon ship. Well?
Add-on complete. Our allies' base is under attack.
Squadron en route.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Big job, huh?
State your request.
Upgrade complete. Our allies are being attacked. Our allies' base is under attack.
We could use some help here.
Our allies' base is under attack.
You were fools to come here.
We better send some body bags.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Abandon ship.
Insufficient Vespine gas. Mineral field depleted. Our allies' base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Yes, sir. Yes, Commander.
Our allies' base is under attack. Our allies' base is under attack. Upgrade complete. Mineral field depleted. Upgrade complete. Our allies' base is under attack.
We've reached the crash site. With any luck, old Warfield's still alive and